Hello, I'm here with Heinz Lux from KNX, and we will be having a wide-ranging conversation on the topic of smart buildings and where we find ourselves today. Heinz, would you like to introduce to our audience what KNX does?
First of all, thank you. Nice to meet you. I'm pleased to be at the ISE for a longer time, now in Barcelona, therefore, hola. Yes, KNX is the worldwide standard for home and building control, is available since more than 30 years, 32 right now. I'm representing here not my own, by the way, just 500 KNX manufacturers from more than 70 countries and offering 8,000, in the meantime even more, KNX certified devices. We're offering all available media like twisted pair, radio frequency, and last but not least IP. And it is the right answer for smart energy. KNX save the energy and make possible the energy management for the future. So we are saving the world.
Saving the world. That's a nice point to start on. It's become a topic that resonates with a lot of people now, especially the younger generations. They hold it very dear and they hold it very highly. Now, how do you save the world? How do you incorporate sustainability into smart buildings? And is energy still the main way that we can go green?
To be honest, saving energy with smart homes, smart building is really the most important focus for all energy savings in the world. I mean, buildings are responsible for more than 40% of energy consumption in the world. This is a high amount. I mean, to save here should be start. We are proud as KNX to offer a small functionality which starts 25 years ago. The first devices were offered 25 years ago. That was room control, which is simple working like open the window, switch off the heating. It saves up to 30% energy, and that is so simple and it's available in so long time. And we are proud that it's already in millions of buildings worldwide. But the topic is now coming more into energy management, smart energy management, call it. Why? Because to save the energy is one topic. The other topic, to manage the existing energy, which is mostly renewable energy. That's not available everywhere. Today is sunny, of course, it's nice, but it's not sun. If it's rainy, if it's not wind, then we have lack of renewable energies, and therefore, in this way, we have to manage the existing energy, which is then our main subject to control with KNX. To know how much energy you need, to know how much is provided by the renewable energy, and manage them. It's the most important topic for the future next to energy efficiency.
You paint an extremely good picture. Let's say I'm a building manager, a facility manager, and I want to come to you guys and I want to make sure that I can onboard some of these energy management solutions that you have. Is there interoperability? Can I build a roadmap where I know I'm future-proof down the road so that my future upgrades, my future expansion can all fit into a cohesive roadmap?
Thanks to KNX standard, there is given interoperability written in the standard and the protocol. So all 8,000 certified KNX devices working together since now 30 years without any problems, troubles. They can exchange information, they can easily connect to each other, and in this way there is no troubles. I would say that is business as usual for KNX devices. They can connect in all language, all countries worldwide, and in order to bring now even higher opportunities, because we are entering the IoT world, which is, let's say, endless without any kind of would say regulations. We as KNX, part of this world, we got this standard now into the IoT world, and even in this IoT world, we still keeping our interoperability, because without interoperability, system will not work together, and there are too many differences between systems. Therefore, KNX is the best option in order to exchange information between different manufacturers, different devices, and different functionality.
And lastly, since we're coming out of the pandemic, a lot of people are going down this smart building route because they need it, right? They've got people to manage, they've got facilities to manage, health and wellness is a rising concern. There are so many things that are drawing people in towards smart buildings and exploring this new area for them. How can they start their journey? How can they learn? How can they progress down the road, increase their expertise, increase their knowledge base, and then eventually come to a point where they become subject matter experts?
Thank you for this question. It's easy as you might know, because to start with KNX, you simply enter www.knx.org. You have the so-called e-campus, which give you the first touch with KNX technology. Is a training, an online training where you can get knowledge, the first knowledge about KNX. If you finish that with success after 1 to 3 hours, you can go for the so-called KNX virtual, where you can first devices combined together in an easy way. If it's finance even this kind of training, you can go for an online training. You can go to 500 training centers worldwide, and finally you are well proof to take any kind of buildings by your own, and you can start with KNX. It's really easy. It's not that much amount of hours you need for training, and everyone worldwide, we have more than 100,000 KNX partners worldwide, did it this way. Why not the next one?
Excellent. It would be really interesting to see how this smart building space plays out, and hopefully we'll have better buildings, better spaces to work in, play in, learn in.
With KNX Smart Energy and Technology. It was a pleasure to talk with you.
Thank you so much.